Hey, what's up, good people? It's Goldie here with Brown Queenz, and I'm coming on to answer a very common question that we get, and that is, what's the difference between your 2-day certification course versus your virtual class that you offer, which is the FIT training, Foundational Interlocks training? In a nutshell, the certification course is a business class. It is intended for people who plan to do Microlocs interlocking as a business. So we teach you the ins and outs, how to start, how to finish, how to maintain, how to do repairs. We do all of the business interface that you would need to get started. Even if you're already a hairstylist or a barber, we teach you how to address the interlocking component of the business. After you complete the 2-day live class, you then have a 2-week certification period in which you now have to apply the skills that you've learned, and you have to be verified. That means you have to pass the certification. Because in order for you to become certified, we want to be able to refer people to you. When we get requests in your area, we can just send them to you. That's part of the network. Whereas the virtual component, it's a 14-day access class. You still get great information, learn how to install, learn how to manage. You might not get all the tricks of the trade, but you still get the basics, because the average person in this class typically just wants to manage maybe their own hair or family and friends, and they don't want to be bothered with being verified. So those are the two big differences, but both great classes.